Srimati Sonia Gandhi concerns over the dilution of employment guarantee under Manrega.
Honorable Chairman, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on a most important issue. I wish to draw the attention of this House to an issue of urgent national importance, the right to employment under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Mahatma Gandhi Narega, also known as Manrega, enacted by the then UPA government in 2005 under the leadership of Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji. This landmark legislation has been a crucial safety net for millions of rural poor. However, it is deeply concerning that the present BJP government has systematically undermined the scheme. The budget allocation remains stagnant at rupees 86,000 crores, a 10-year low as a percentage of GDP. When adjusted for inflation, the effective budget has declined by rupees 4,000 crores. Moreover, estimates suggest that nearly 20% of the allocated funds will be used to clear pending dues from previous years. Additionally, the scheme faces multiple challenges, including the exclusionary Aadhaar-based payment system and the national mobile monetary system, persistent delays in wage payments, and wage rates not adequate to compensate for inflation. In light of these pressing concerns, the Congress Party demands the following. 1. Adequate financial provisions to sustain and expand the scheme. 2. An increase in the minimum wage of rupees 400 per day. 3. Timely disbursement of wages. 4. The removal of mandatory ABPS and NMMS requirements. 5. An increase in the number of guaranteed work days from 100 to 150 per year. These measures, sir, are essential to ensure that Mahatma Gandhi Narega provides dignified employment and financial security. Thank you.
I appreciate